In this video, we will discuss how to change the tool and holder display for SOLIDWORKS CAM or CAMWorks simulation. Please note the file locations for holder options in the SOLIDWORKS CAM or CAMWorks directories. Now, let's get started.
In this example, you will see in the simulation that we have a default tool holder and parameters, such as the protrusion length or hangout from the holder. But we can easily change the tool type and those parameters to resemble the actual tool length and holder we may have in our machine. If we go to our operations tree, mill part setup 1, center drill strategy, edit definition. If we come over here to our mill holder, we see that it is set to basic. If we choose user defined, next to name, we have 3 dots. Pick the 3 dots, and here you will see the directory that was shown in the introduction of where the default tool holders reside. For our example, I will go ahead and pick an ER32, open it up. Now, we see that the protrusion length is 2.5 inches. Let's say we want to shorten that up. However, we are limited by the flute length of the tool. If we go into the center drill, we see that the flute length is 1.5 inches. That means we cannot go shorter than 1.5 inches on our protrusion. Back to mill holder. Let's just shorten it up to 2 inches. Let's hit OK and resimulate. Now we have the updated tool holder with a new protrusion length. And yes, it's that easy.